How to remove multiple accounts from Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Messenger application. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now tap on your profile. Now swipe to the left to the account you want to remove. Now tap on delete. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. Tap on three lines. Click on logout. Tap on three dots. Now click on remove profiles from this device. Now click on remove. Now go back to Messenger. So first of all, restart the Messenger. Three lines. Tap on profile. Now click on delete. Now click on remove. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.